Out of 10 drivers have no idea these features are already hiding inside their cars, and the wild part, some of them can save you serious money and prevent costly problems, so stick with me, your car might be smarter than you think. Let's get into it. Secret number 17. Open windows with your key fob. On hot days, just hold the unlock button and your windows, and sometimes even the sunroof, open automatically. It lets heat escape before you even step inside. Secret number 16. Fuel pump reset switch. If your car won't start after a bump or pothole, it might just be a safety switch cutting fuel. Resetting it in the trunk could save you a tow. Secret number 15. Dome light switch. That small on-off door switch controls when your light turns on. The door setting prevents battery drain and works automatically. Okay, secret number 14. Passenger seat control. So, did you know that some cars actually let you adjust the passenger seat right from the driver's side? Yeah, it's super handy. Perfect for keeping things comfy without having to reach all the way over. Alright, secret number 13. Climate control reset. Ever had weak AC? Well, there's actually a hidden button combo that can reset your system, and honestly, it can fix performance issues without you needing to shell out for a pricey diagnostic. And now, secret number 12. Wiper service mode. This one's cool. There's a mode that lifts your wipers up into position, making it way easier to swap them out. No damage, no struggle, just simple and quick. Okay, so, secret number 11. Augmented reality navigation. Some cars actually overlay directions right onto the real road view, making navigation a whole lot clearer and, honestly, safer too. Alright, secret number 10. Mirror dip in reverse. When you shift into reverse, your passenger mirror tilts down to help you avoid curbs and scratches. Super handy, right? And here's secret number 9. Brake hold. This feature keeps your car stopped without you having to keep your foot on the brake. Perfect for those stop-and-go moments in traffic. Alright, secret number 8 is all about key fob protection. You know, you should really store your key in a Faraday pouch or even a metal container, because that blocks hacking attempts. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference. Now, moving on to secret number 7, parking sensor settings. If you head into your menu, you can actually adjust the sensitivity. That way, you reduce those annoying false alerts and honestly, improve the accuracy quite a bit. And finally, secret number 6, electronic brake service mode. There's this hidden mode that retracts your brakes for maintenance, which can save you both time and labor costs. Pretty cool, right? Okay, secret number 5 is the 360-degree camera view. You can actually see your car from above when you're parking, so no guesswork and way fewer mistakes. Now, secret number 4 is fold flat seats. You can unlock a lot more cargo space instantly, which is just awesome for hauling those big items. Secret number 3, hidden hook. That small hook in your cabin keeps bags from sliding around or causing hazards. Secret number 2, launch control. If your car has it, this feature gives you maximum acceleration with perfect traction. Secret number 1, speed limiter. Unlike cruise control, it sets a max speed so you don't accidentally speed. Great for city driving. So how many did you already know? If even one surprised you, your car just became a lot more useful. And hey, if you want more hidden features most drivers never use, make sure to subscribe. There's a lot more you haven't discovered yet.